Saad and Zaki ordered this spicy chicken. So guys, this is what happened. They ordered this food in Elmas, in Malas, but the spicy chicken.
No, I'm done. Wallah,
The spicy chicken.
Wallah, eat this one, okay? You are eating, sir. Eat this one. Wallah, same. Same, sir. Eat this.
Now they are eating spicy chicken barbecue.
Too much spicy.
Look at my food. Just look at my food.
Yeah.
I used to eat spicy food, but I've never eaten this kind of spicy food in my life.
Really, I didn't.
Just see, my nose started to sweat.
Yes, see. Yeah. You need tissue something? I will bring for you.
Oh, Zaki. I'm feeling more spicy. Too much salt, Zaki also.
Yeah.
Salt, Zaki,
Too
sir.
much.
What is the restaurant? Elmas, huh?
Never ever try the spicy food, especially the barbecue from Yermas, okay?
It's very Allah. You cannot
You,
too much.
you want to see the chicken, just look at it closely and then you will know that how much spices, even the fries itself you cannot eat. Just see the amount of spices they use in the chicken. Just see it's all wet in the spices.
Wow. They ruined the chicken, man. They ruined the chicken, see.
Yeah.
Even you like eating spicy, huh? But
I love spicy food, but I cannot eat this, man. This is not spicy, this is something else. Like he put spice 3-4 times of
this is extreme, huh? Extreme spicy. Too much.
Inside, outside.
Even now, after eating this, I cannot even the simple chicken that Richard is eating because my
Yeah.
taste buds are now finished.
This bus is full of spice.
See this chicken. Red chicken. See, both of them are fucking red.
You see that chicken? It's like they will soak in
They put
chili.
it into the chili for at least 1 week.
Too much.
Richard, well,
Don't order again the same like that. How we can do this? Too much spicy, no? This is extreme spicy.
the problem not only the spice, the salt itself, you know.
Salty also?
Richard, bhai, okay, just do one thing. Okay?
Okay.
Just no, just don't eat it. Just eat this fries and see the
Ah,
amount.
no,
Eat with fries and see the salt in it.
We'll try. Yeah? Salt and spicy, man.
This is the salt itself. You cannot feel the taste of anything, you know.
Yeah, it's a lot of it. Not hard. Even the price is
Salty. The problem is not the spice itself. It's too salty that you cannot eat.
Tell them to buy this chicken again in that store. Go to Sawaya house better.
Even the fries I let you eat. Just imagine how salty the fries is.
There is some plastic bag, you can put all of these things. Even dogs cannot eat this one.
Dog? Even the Mexican people cannot eat this one who eat the spices.
Yeah. It is soaked in the chili maybe around 2 to 3 days or something. So guys, this is what happened. Saad and Zaki ordered this spicy chicken. Yeah.
Just take one piece of this chicken. I bet you.
Yeah.
Yes, just do it.
Okay.
Did you get me spicy also? Or?
Okay, no.
I don't know. I
just
have any idea if you have spicy or not.
I think mine is
Normal.
regular.
Regular, yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is very much better than this.
This is better.
Yeah.
You like
You wanna
it?
eat it? I didn't even eat it. See?
Yeah.
Mine is Yeah.
You eat it. You eat it.
It's spicy?
It's spicy, I love it.
No, the problem is not the spicy itself. It's
This is
too
salty.
salty. Just eat
Ah.
this one. Eat this one.
I think this is more salty than this one.
Try, just try. Salty and
Something
spicy.
wrong in it. It's salty,
Yes, yes, yes.
not spicy. Wallah, I cannot even eat the simple food now after it. Even okay, Nihas bhai, try to eat the
Take
fries.
this.
No, try to eat the fries below it. Just lift it up. I didn't eat
Salty
it.
also?
Yeah, just try to eat the fries. The French fries out of it.
You taste the salt and spicy.
Spicy is no problem with me, but
The
salt
salty-
is too much.
Yeah.
It's too much salty, right?
Yes.
You cannot eat it, man. This one is not salty, right?
This one?
The other one with Zaki. It's
Salty
also
as
salty,
well.
since it?
Yes, yes.
So guys, this is what happened. They order this food in Elmas, in Malas, but the spicy chicken,
No, Nihas bhai, I'm done. Wallah, I
the
cannot
spicy
eat it.
chicken
No, I
is
cannot
very,
take this.
very
Take this.
spicy, guys.
No,
Like
Nihas bhai,
times 4
I-
spicy
I-
than
I-
normal.
No, Nihas bhai,
Right?
after-
Now,
After eating this, my tongue is not feeling any taste. See, because of this, because I eat a lot of chicken of this.
now Mr. Saad feels like crying in his face because
Not crying actually, it's just ruining the taste of my
Yeah,
mouth.
yeah.
I cannot eat anything now.
But Mr. Has enjoy this kind of spicy flavor.
No,
But
this
me,
is not good for your stomach also.
but me, never. I will not eat that one.
You will eat it, but when it's the time for you to take it out,
So I'm done. So they have also free. What kind of bread? So?
This is
it's
chapati.
hummus. They
Hummus.
call it hummus.
Call it
Naan,
hummus.
Actually, it is not. You will just fry it, fry. Like put some oil and then fry it, and it will become a little crispy, and then eat it with the tea. I swear you will love it. But this is not the same thing as we used to have in Pakistan, right? I don't know how they make it, but in Pakistan they make it with the milk and the wheat.
No, here with water.
With water, right? In Pakistan they make it with the milk and the wheat and the flour. Okay?
This one, right?
And this
Yeah,
this same thing in Pakistan,
Yeah.
but it will be like it's too soft, and like you will just do it like this and it will get into your hand and you can eat it with the chicken or anything.
Yeah, but this one
And
it
then
will
if you
be.
will just do it in the morning, like the leftovers,
It will last for 1 hour only. After that, it will become hard. Then you
Yes,
cannot
yes,
eat it.
yes.
That's
This
right.
eaten very fresh out of the
Yeah,
oven.
out of the oven. So now, guys, this is the end of our video. Actually, say bye, man.
bye bye.
Alright.
I'm done.
Nice. So, guys, if you order chicken and El Mas, be sure that you love spicy flavor because we offered 4 times spicy flavored when you order spicy chicken barbecue or even shawarma. So be sure that you like spicy flavor, but for me and Saad, and eat that spicy flavor because we don't like it. It's triple times or 4 times. But Mr. Nahas, he want to eat the spicy flavor. He like it too much. Alright, so for me, it depends on your taste, man. It depends on your taste, whatever you like. So this time I'm done. I don't want to eat anymore this spicy flavor or anything. Or else, if you love spicy, and then order it. Okay, see you guys next time.